We have been working on this project for, what do you guys say, since about like the beginning of the winter, and it hasn't quite been a year yet.
We've been kind of letting it off.
Yeah, we started it. We got about a quarter of the way through, and then we kind of set it off the side of my work table, and hopefully tonight we'll be able to get the metal completely finished, so that way I can get some foam in it and whatnot. But this is the project. We started this beginning of winter. It's our homemade sled. We took an old wagon, put some aluminum on the bottom, riveted it all, and we're just now finishing up the front side with the rivets, and hopefully this thing will work on the hills and get us some good speed.
Just in case there's any haters. And this is to the haters. I know it's simple and anyone can do this. Fuck you.
Okay, so it's been a couple days now since we started working on the wagon again. Got all the metal best we can on there, filled it up with foam, and I thought it was going to be ready today because we did the foam last night and let it sit overnight. But for some odd reason, all the foam did not cure. Actually, if you can actually see right down on that side, on this side of it, it didn't cure. It just like, I don't know, like sat there and just foamed up and it's sticky and everything else. So I went and I took our last can of foam, filled in the areas, and so I'm hoping this is going to take care of it. I'm thinking the reason why it didn't cure is because there's a shit ton of, there's like 4 cans of foam in here. So like I said, between the first section of this video and today, it's actually been 3 days. So hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to finish this up and give it a test ride within the next couple days. We're down at the golf course again. We're doing some slab. I just got my little beanbag today. So we're going to do some filming from the bottom of the hill. Alright, so I got it all set up. Let's see what we can capture. I got Andrew, Kayleen, Devin,
Mariah,
and what's the other 2 ones?
Tegan and Riley.
Tegan and Riley are the 2 youngest ones. So we got them all out here. Let's see what we can get. You're stuck.
Maddie, you want to go in here?
Oh, no. I found a hard spot. Get up.
Don't fall forward.
Hard spot. Hard spot. Hard.
Get in first.
Hard.
Okay. Wait, don't fall.
Okay. I'm good.
Where are you guys going?
Yeah!
Okay, where are the other 2 sleds up there?
Yeah, I want to get blind. Take it up. Steven, I want to get pushed one. I want to push someone.
I didn't go nowhere.
I did.
I landed and that's how I stayed.
What did you hit?
Snow.
I jumped on the sled and stayed. I made it this far.
Nice, nice.
Good for an old man. Just kidding.
Oh, God.
Okay. We're going to try this a different way.
Don't sit. You will sink. I told you. No, you can't.
I think the only sled that actually works is that one.
Because of how soft the snow is over here. It's
Well,
not
I don't think we're going to be doing too much sledding out there.
So, have fun with what you got.
I am.
Ah,
Woo!
yeah. And I even took the good one.
Yeah, money. Oh,
It makes crappy snowballs.
It does.
I already tried.
Dad, coming through.
Nice catch.
Hey, coming through, mate.
Whoa.
I was gonna be able to jump out of the way fast enough, but my foot got stuck.
Did you see that? What? What? Hold on. Don't do it. No, that's when I actually get him.
I'm getting pushed up.
That didn't stay together very well.
No!
Okay, fine, we're going that route. Oh, oh shit. Ah! Ah! Guys. Wait.
I heard that plan.
Stop.
I heard that plan. What? Come after me?
No.
Yeah.
No.
We'd never do that. Oh, okay.
Look at this. You see the price of it. And that was caught on video. Hey, it's right. I'm gonna go on that one. So is it worth it jumping this one up? Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah.
I wouldn't.
You said I'm not doing that.
As you can see, the wagon was very popular. I'm very glad that we did it, even though, yes, it's a simple project, but it, worked out at the end. Well done to Kayleen and Andrew for helping me out on this, even though we put it to the side for a while, and it took us almost all winter, and now it's almost spring, but hey, it's got done. Well worth it. Props to the way it turned out.
I think we're going to do another video like this, but where it's going to be a bike made out of PVC pipe, and we'll have more of the process than on this video. So make sure you guys like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on our notifications. And
No, it's down. First of all, you hit that and it falls. No, I didn't say go down the ramp. I didn't say wagon. You fall. Unless you got.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
I got the rope. The strings on it. You can hold on to the front. Yeah, and
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
be safe. Okay? He's gonna go down standing up. He's gonna go surfer. Ooh, Tegan? Yeah. Don't break your neck. Okay, he says don't break your neck. Brotherly talk, he wants you to break your neck. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I'm a brother too. I know this stuff. No, you don't. Yes, I do. Yeah, I know everything.
How about we down here?
There you go. Hold on. Let's see.
What if I stay out?
Stay on, that'd be freaking awesome, but it's all on video. No, because it's over there. Just wait, the camera's pointing to it. You get some of this too. Ready? Yeah. Not pushing, you're going on.
They are going down this hill while standing. It's amazing.
Let's go. Now you gotta control with your feet.
I got it.
Oh! Got it!
Wipe
Stay down the hill though.
Hey, Dad! Roll down!
Roll down? Why do I have to roll down?
Because you're the adult, you gotta make sure it's safe.
Well, I need the wagon then.
I said to roll down, not slide.
Now, give me a sec, I'll roll.
I get it. Good luck with that one. Why don't you use one of those ones?
Because I got rope.
Can I go again?
After me.
I told him what we were doing and everything.
Nice.
Don't step on
That was
the
a total wipeout.
Especially not just like covered in snow with how you hit. Like there was a giant pile of snow that was going over you. It's just like
Make sure
crazy.
you're not blocking the phone.
She's not!
Okay.
We're good. Mike's about to try it now.
I think I'd be careful.
Oh, it is.
Don't break a leg!
That means break a leg!
He's gonna break his neck.
Oh, that'd be like the full ER.
Alright, let's do this. Let me get out of the way. Woo!
Go, Dad! You're supposed to roll. What the hell?
Woo! He wiped out last second!
All right. So that's another day of sledding here. Temperatures starting to go down. So we're gonna call it a day. Say goodbye.
Bye!
All right. Peace.